need to combine multiple PDFs into one for free, whether it's for work, school, or personal use, I'll show you the best way to merge PDFs using a free online tool such as iLovePDF.com. So let's get started. Step 1. Open iLovePDF.com on your browser. This website is completely free and works on Windows, Mac, and mobile devices. So iLovePDF is a website that you can use to turn your PDFs into a file that you prefer to use. So in here, you'll be able to find their services. Click on Merge PDF, and in here, go ahead and click on Select PDF Files, and that will take you into your local drive. Now on your local drive, go ahead and select the PDF file that you want to merge using the website. So simply select another file by clicking on this plus button and select from your local drive. So after you have selected a file from your local drive, go ahead and proceed on merging the two PDF files by clicking on that merge PDF button. Now once merged, you can go ahead and download the merge PDF, save it to Google Drive, copy the link, save it to Dropbox, or delete it now. So once we open this file, we'll be able to find those two PDF files merged into one, and that is basically how you can merge multiple PDFs into one document for free using iLovePDF. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below.